Eat healthy food with me. Oh, this is eggplant, but it's fried. It's fried eggplant. It's here. Fried eggplant. It's yummy, guys. You should eat it. It's healthy. Let's eat it, guys. Because when you don't eat it, you're not healthy. Would you please subscribe to my channel? Ta-da! So yummy, guys. So let's eat. I just have rice. Because I like rice too. Ta-da! Here is it. Good. It's so yummy, guys. But it's fried. If you wanna eat it, search in the YouTube how to make fried eggplant. You just need to search it at YouTube. But you have to watch this first. And would you please subscribe to my channel? Because it's so yummy. Hapit nahulog ang kutsara, guys. Or in English, my spoon almost fall. In Bisaya, hapit nahulog akong kutsara. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, please, please. If you eat healthy food, subscribe. But if you don't eat healthy food, just comment. Comment, I don't eat healthy food. Now let's eat it again.
Oh, pero kamera. Ang laki nila.
Kaya may kayo, eggplant fried.
Lamig kayo?
So guys, my dad is here. Did you know Daddy in USA means called Dada, and I have a classmate named Dada. I live in the Philippines.
Ito na ito siguro. Puro na ito.
Ah, yummy, guys. You wanna eat? Here. Yummy.
Dali ra lagi ron.
Wala na. Kasi na. Sunod na ako. Sunod storage.
Apat.
Hulog.
So yummy. Guys, remember you have to watch the full video. And please subscribe. Subscribe if you eat healthy food, but comment if you don't eat healthy food. If you don't eat healthy food, comment I don't eat healthy food. That's my aunties room, my auntie baby room, my auntie baby's room. Let's knock. My mom is pregnant. If you don't care, I don't care too. And you guys must subscribe. It's so hard. You know what? If it was your recognition yesterday, please do all. Subscribe, like, comment. You can also comment Geometry Dash or Roblox. Spranky. Or you can comment anything. You can comment anything. Oh. So guys, I'm still eating it because I like it. It's yummy. If you haven't tasted this yet, just like and view. Oh, you wanna eat? Okay. So just wait, guys. Here, eat. Gilibrihan ko. Eunice. You gonna eat? No? Ah! My rice ball! At least it's still yummy. So guys, that's all. Bye!